And hello, everyone, and welcome to the third edition of Microsoft Monday. In this video, we will learn how to use OneDrive to save, edit, organize, and share our Office 365 documents with teachers and students. Now, be sure to access Office 365 through your publicboard.ca account, and from the waffle symbol, which is on the upper left-hand corner of your screen, you're going to want to select OneDrive. Now, once inside OneDrive, you will now have the ability to open the web version of popular Office 365 documents such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote. Now, because we're now working in the cloud version of Office 365, we need to be always careful to rename our files so we can better organize our documents online. In this example, you're going to want to try to avoid what you see here, which is always auto-saving by the default file name. So for example, when we're dealing with documents such as this, so I am finished creating my sample English essay title page, and you're going to notice on the top left-hand corner, it always saves the document by its default name. So I'm going to suggest by clicking on the file, we're going to want to rename this something that we're going to remember it by. So we're going to call this English underscore title page. So when you click on the enter button, what you are now going to notice is that that individual file will be saved directly within our folder. Now, keep in mind that if you want to manually rename files such as document 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you're going to want to click on the ellipsis symbol and you're going to want to click on the option that says rename. So again, if this is something for, let's say, your geography class, homework, click on rename. And at this point now, it's going to change it from the default name to the specific name that you have renamed the document. Also know that you can create folders, and folders provide an opportunity to better organize our work either by course, class, or by topic. And when you click on the folder option, it will now enable you to drag and drop individual files directly inside of the folder. So for example, if I wanted to take these two documents, I now have the ability to drag and drop them directly into that folder. So when I double click inside the folder, you will now see a listing of specific documents that you want organized by topic, class, or by course. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that when we are sharing documents with either our teachers or with our students, you're going to want to select the individual file that you wish to share. And by clicking on the share button, what that's going to do is it's going to bring up a option called send link. Now, there are two options. Number one, you can send it to a specific person within our school board, somebody who's going to be active within our user directory. So, for example, if I wanted to send this file to myself, you are going to type in the name of the teacher or the student that you wish to send the file to. And if you wanted to leave the message, I can say, hello, this is Mr. Qualia. And at this point, I could either click on the send button or I can click on copy link. And what this is going to do is it's going to send an active link to which you can copy and send directly to your recipient. So if I'm inside of my sandbox course inside of D2L and I wanted to create a new assignment, what it's going to do is it's going to allow me to take that link and post it directly into this sample assignment. So I could either do it by attaching a web link, example assignment, or I can add this directly inside of OneDrive, which will now enable you to access your specific OneDrive account as long as you are logged in. And at this point, if I wanted to take that document that I previously created, click on select, and at this point, save and close, and you now have the document that has been saved. So there you have it, folks. Here are some tips to successfully save, organize, and share your work inside of OneDrive. I hope that this was helpful, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye now.